What's up, humans? It's Misha with Winnie Designs, and my goal is to teach you how to build a bathroom from start to finish. Today, we're going to focus on our Vanity Backsplash. I'm going to show you how to cut it, where to cut it, and what to cut it with, and then also how to actually install it on your vanity and silicone it. So, let's get into it. All right, so let's talk about where should you be cutting this, and you should do it outside. If you can, do it outside where the air is, moving around, because this stuff gets super fine dust. So if you want to wear a mask, that will help. But if you do it outside, you're going to be good. Wear eye protections, just in case. And then what we're going to do it with, we're going to use our grinder, and we have a diamond wheel on it. You can get any type of diamond wheel, but if you're going to try to make a nice clean cut, make sure it's a new one, because then it doesn't wobble around in there. When we're going to be cutting, what are the things that you have to look out for? First, we have our scribe mark here of where we need to cut it. You always cut the face. So this is the face and this is the face as well. It's the two finished surfaces for us. So we're going to make sure that we cut this first, then down. So then when this piece falls off and kind of splinters off, then it's on the back and you don't see it anyway. So we're going to cut it like this, down, and then finish our cut all the way through. And then I'm going to show you how to actually install it upstairs. Let's go. All right, so we basically made our first cut, and you see that when it broke off, it kind of left a little bit in here. So the way to clean it up, one, if you have a polishing pad, that would be super, super helpful, because you just do it. But if you don't, and you just have a grinder, essentially what we're going to do is we're going to come at it from an angle like this, and kind of come up, just like so. But make sure you're not going all the way up to here. So nice and slow, take it easy, put it like a slight of an angle, and then kind of like wiping it just like that. All right, so watch. So when you're doing something like that, make sure that you're not pushing on it. Just let the weight of this, and it's literally this type of pressure. You're not trying to get it done in one time. So you got it done. All right, now this is ready to be installed. We're gonna get some silicone and we're gonna install it, and that's the easy part. So let me show you how that works. All right, guys, so we're upstairs at our vanity. We have our top here. We gave it an allowance about like 1/8 of an inch on both sides. It's kind of, we don't want to make sure we don't scratch this, but all that we need to do to set it is we're going to use some crystal clear silicone. That will hold better than anything out there, or good enough to basically stay there for a while. So you're going to do a zigzag pattern on here, just like so. And then we're going to do one more thing. Like that. And then what I'm going to do here at the bottom is actually put it just a straight bead right at the edge here. I know it's going to, my stone's going to sit on top of it, but it's just that extra hold that we'll have right there before we actually silicone that. Put this off to the side. All right, here's the intense part, because I don't want to be scratching up anything here. So I'm going to actually come in like this. And then we're just going to collapse our ridges. So only push on the ends. Don't ever push on the middle, especially on a long piece like this. Get some silicone to clean up here. But the bottom here now, I cut my tip very small here, so I'm going to do just a single little bead of actual crystal clear silicone right at the bottom here. To smooth it out, kind of lick your finger a little bit, and then just go for that. Boom. So that is how you set your backsplash. We're going to reset this back, but that's ready to go. So we're going to let this cure, and then we'll fill in the top and start messing around with it. We want to mess around with it right now while the silicone is still wet, because then you can't clean it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and that notification bell, because I'm going to teach you how to build bathrooms. Like it or not.